Hello friends, my name is Madhav and welcome to my YouTube channel Wearable Help. In this video, we will learn how to use sleep tracking function on your new Boat Storm and Boat Explorer smartwatches. So without any further delay, let's jump to the video. After receiving the Boat Storm and Boat Explorer smartwatch, you may have searched for the sleep tracking function. After that, you may have disappointed by not seeing it on the wearable. Well, don't be nervous. The sleep tracking function is available on Boat Storm and Boat Explorer, but like other watches, it is not the part of the smartwatch. Yes, the company has provided this function, and in the low price range, I can see it is the best option. On the watch, you will not get REM sleep data or blood oxygen variation data during sleep, but apart from that, everything is available to track. The Boat Storm and Boat Explorer sleep tracking feature is available in the Pro Gear app. Again, I will not confuse you if you are not seeing it in the function list. The first page of the app contains only menu names, so the heart rate, sleep rate, and sports modes are located in the other tab. In this little guide, you will learn how to track your sleep and see the data in the Pro Gear app. Do the first thing, download and install the official pairing app Boat Pro Gear from the Play Store, and then follow these points. First, open Boat Pro Gear app. It is the main hub for the watch, and all the synchronized data will be stored in this place. Even your daily sleep data will be here. It is the reason it is important to open the account with the app. Second, in the Home tab, tap on the sleep option. The four main tabs will be available on the first page of the app. The Home tab is the first one, where the sleep option is available. Click on the sleep option to move further. Third, now see a daily score and other aspects on this page. When synchronize all your sleep data from Boat Watch to the Pro Gear app, then you will see stored data here. On the upper side, it will show total sleeping time from the last sleep. Below, it shows deep sleep, light sleep, and awake hours. In the sleep tab, you can find out how much quality sleep you have achieved in the last session. With the deep, light, and awake sleep patterns, you can get hints to improve your sleep score. It is scientifically proven that we need enough good sleep to stay healthy and productive. Your new Boat smartwatch will help you to make that happen. Thanks for watching it, friends. If you like this video, then please hit that like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.